We are on our way to Yosemite Valley. The gas right outside of the park is $5 a gallon. Our spot in the Upper Pines Campground here in Yosemite, and it is pretty awesome. We don't have any neighbors behind us, which is really nice. That way the dogs have no reason to bark when they're outside. Also, the site is pretty big. Plenty of room. Picnic table, fire ring, and a bear box and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be here until Friday, and yeah, we're pretty lucky to be able to get a spot in Yosemite Valley. That is hard to do, but yeah, we got in on a cancellation, so that's pretty nice. This is like a handicap spot technically. They reserve those even if you're not handicapped. The only thing is, if someone were to come and needed this spot, we'd have to switch them. But that's not a big deal at all. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun week. So what do you think of Yosemite so far?
It's really cool. There's a lot of people, which kind of takes away from some of the things, but I think once you kind of get off of the main trails and kind of get back there, it's not as crowded, but I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, so it makes sense why there's so many people here. But this isn't even the busy season, so. But we just checked out Yosemite Falls, Lower Yosemite Falls, and it's awesome. It's really pretty. But I really want to climb here a ton, but we don't quite have enough gear to do a lot of the routes, so. But it's awesome.
So we just beat the rain, back to the Jeep, and Garrett is super stoked because he got to see and touch the beginning of the nose.
Yeah, it's my dream to climb El Cap. The nose would be really sweet. It's just such an iconic climbing route. It'd be like such an achievement to do it. And so just for fun, we walked to the base of the nose and where it starts.
So we're gonna make some lasagna and just enjoy our camp spot for the rest of the night and plan out what we're gonna do for the rest of the week. So thanks for watching, you guys, and thanks for living life with us.